staring at you, so I'm crazy.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a first impression on two primers. Actually wanted to try out these primers for my skin. As you guys know, I have dry skin. So of course, I'm always on the hunt to try out new primers for you guys. But as you guys see by the title, we are trying out two primers. One is from ELEVATESTYLES Cosmetics and the other one is from Mayde Cosmetics. Now this is the Mayde Cosmetic Hydro Grip Primer. And this is $15. If you guys want the bigger bottle, I think it's around $30 for it. But I just wanted to try the small one, and I think $15 is kind of too small. This is the bottle here. I got this size because I wanted to try it out to see, and everyone been talking about this primer. It's good, so I wanted to see if it's good for my skin type, which is dry skin. You guys know I'm a big fan of ELF. I went all over the place trying to find this primer, and it came in this little packaging here. I got this from Ulta. So this is the primer. I don't remember how much I paid for the entire thing, maybe around $10, I'm not sure, but everything will be listed in the description box for you guys. So this is the Jelly Pop, and this was very popular when it came out. Also, this primer here is very popular as well. So we're gonna go online and see exactly what this is for. Also, we're gonna do it for the ELF product, the Mayde Hydro Grip Primer. So this has all water cherry blossom, vitamin D. It's healthier looking base. It is a hydrating primer, so that's why I'm like, let's see if it works for my skin. It has a lot of good reviews on it. Okay, so one person says that it is a little too sticky even after waiting a bit before applying foundation. I was really looking forward to this product after seeing a lot of beauty influencers recommending it. The foundation would do the opposite of what the product says, and it wouldn't stick on it. It wouldn't stick, or it would separate as I continue blending. Another one says it looked nice, but while applying it, it would burn my skin. Ooh, that's bad. So we're gonna go to the Ulta website and we're gonna check to see about the Jelly Pop. Okay, so it is available on Ulta, but it is sold out. The single one, actually, the single primer by itself is sold out. I'm gonna check to see if they have it available in the packet that I bought. It is a hydrating primer. It has watermelon infused. Jelly Pop collection use unique jelly textures to give you last year color and dewy skin and a healthy glow. This has vitamin E, C, A, water lemon extract. It has a unique gel texture that works like glue to grip makeup to ensure it stays put. So both of them has this gripping thing. It says it will hold onto your face. All of these that I have here, I got this on the ELF website, which is $15. You get the face eye gloss, you get a lip gloss, and you get the primer. Wherever you want to go and pick it up, you're welcome to do that. But if I like this, I definitely will get the bigger one. $15 for this. I just think that's a ripoff. That's way too small. You only get 33 fluid ounce, okay? So I'm gonna try out the lip gloss because my lips are like very cracky. Since I have this, I might as well try it out. And this came out like maybe last year. So I'm gonna put a little bit while I'm doing this video. Oh, this feels so nice. Can't really smell anything, I'm sorry. Let me prep my skin. My favorite right now is this moisturizer. It's a hydrating moisturizer. This is from ELF. I'm gonna take that and put all over the face. The only thing that's gonna be different is the primer. I'm gonna do ELF on this side, and then I'm gonna do Milk on the other side so we can see. Also, I'm gonna give this a wear test. Let's see if my face look dewy or hydrated. We're just gonna do everything because I want to see exactly what I'm getting. Let me just show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like here. It's just clear. I just put a few on this side here, and you guys can see it's gonna blend that out. I'm also gonna take a little bit and put on top of my forehead. It does feel a little tight on my skin. Yeah, it feels a little tight and sticky. It is, yeah, it is a little bit sticky. So hopefully when it dries down, I don't feel that stickiness, but it's really tight on my skin. So hopefully when I put my foundation, I don't feel that. So next we're gonna go with the Hydra primer. I'm gonna take a little bit and put on my other hand. Let's just see if I get the same texture. This primer is a little bit more loose. The ELF primer is a little bit more sticky on my hand. This one don't feel like this. So I'm gonna let this dry down. So let's just go ahead and put this on the side. So with this one, I really don't need to put a lot because a lot comes out anyway. So this is the amount that I'm gonna put. Gonna make sure I put on the side of my nose. So I'm gonna let this dry down. But this is this side, and I've been breaking out, girl. You see, like I'm breaking out like crazy. And this is the side with the ELF. So I'm going to wait and see how both feels. But so far, this side here, it feels a little tight when it's drying down. This side, I don't feel that at all. I want to see how it feels after it dries down, so I'm gonna give this maybe a few minutes to dry down completely, and then we're gonna come back. But so far I'm liking how my face looks. Right. So it's been maybe 3 minutes. I wanted to make sure that this thing dried down so I could tell you guys exactly how I feel about this. Now everything's dried down. I could feel a little difference in my skin. I could tell that I have some product on my face. It does grip your skin a little bit. So on this side, let's just, it has a little tightness as well. The ELF primer is a little bit more tighter than the Milk Grip primer, if that makes sense. So we're gonna go ahead and use this foundation. I'm just gonna take that and put all over the face because I don't have a foundation from Milk. All right, so the foundation that we are using for this step, this is the Wet n Wild Dewy foundation. That's one of the new foundation that's out right now, and I am in love with this foundation. Like, this is the bomb, okay? So far I'm liking both of the products. I just think that both of them works so good on the skin. Everything that I'm going to be using on my face is hydrating stuff, no matte anything. I just want to see how it works with other hydrating products. So we're going to go in with the ELF Hydrating Caramel Concealer. I'm gonna be using this powder here. This is from ELF. This is one of my favorite powders right now. It's so good on the skin. Anyway, I'm just gonna use my sponge, and I'm just going to pat that on the skin. So I'm using this from CoverGirl Queen Collection. All right, so I'm gonna keep this drugstore as much as I can. So we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder, and this color is N8, which is Cappuccino, and this is the shade here. I'm gonna just take it and pull up the face. And no, I've been using my Iman Cosmetic powder for the longest, and I just think it's time to try out other things. Even though I use this powder from L'Oreal in the past, I just love my Iman powder. So I'm just gonna give that a break. So we're gonna go ahead with my ELF Glow Dewy Mist. Oh, girl, this is heaven. Feels so good. I'm just gonna let this dry, but I'm gonna take my sponge. My sponge is just like she is done. I need to get me a new sponge. All right, so it's been a few hours since I had this on. So I gave the primers a little break, over 2 hours now. When I started, it was like after 11, and this is how it looks. Now in the beginning, both primers, they do grip a little tight on the skin, especially the e.l.f. primer. So this is how it looks on the side of with the e.l.f. primer. I really do like it. And this side is the milk primer. With the milk primer, it holds up a little bit good as well, so you can't really tell which one is which on my face. I really do like both products. I'm not sure how many fluid ounce you get with the e.l.f. primer. It really don't tell me on this. I'm gonna keep both of them because they are really good on the skin. I can pick any one because both perform very well, but if you're on a budget and you want to save some money, I would say go with the e.l.f. product. I do like it. It's really nice for dry skin, but it is a little bit tight when you apply it first. What I did is I let it sit into the skin and both of them feels the same. The e.l.f. product dries down a little bit more faster than the milk product. If you guys could tell, like, you can't really tell what I have on my skin. It just look very, very beautiful on my skin. But I like both of them. They are really good for my skin, and I'm gonna continue using this until it's done. I'm not sure if I could pay $30 on a primer. We stock up on this a little bit more because I like the way it feels. You use less product when you use the e.l.f. primer. This one pumps a little bit more, but they both feel the same when it dries down. It's just one is tighter than the other one. I don't have anything bad to say about both of the primers, and honestly the hype is real with this. This is so good for dry skin. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about both of this product. Which one do you like better? Do you see a difference on my face? Please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about both of this product. I do like it. I don't see anything wrong with any one of them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Thank you guys so much for joining the family. Don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends and family. And I see you guys sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.